What's up, YouTube? Here's my 2016 fireworks stash. Let's start off with the 200 grams. I have a Mobile Menace by Brothers. I have a Fat Chance by Brothers, 10 shots. I have Magic Carpet by Brothers, 25 shots. I got a Dragon Chrome by Wonder. I got Broken Heart, 8 shots by Wonder. I got Bump Bear, 16 shots by Wonder. I got a Horse by Wonder. How many shots? 16 shots. I got Killer Alligator by Brothers, 25 shots. I got an AF1 by Brothers, 16 shots. I have Golden Peacock, 16 shots. I got the Hard Claw by Wonder, 16 shots. I got a 300 shot Saturn missile battery. I got Mini Ring by Brothers. I got Night Vision by Brothers. I got Irish Legend by Brothers. Stop and Go by Brothers. I got Do or Die by Brothers. Over here in the cut, I got Great Expectations by Wonder. I got a Bling Bling by Brothers. Evil Enemy by Brothers. And then I got a Crazy Exciting by World Class. Back here I have 3 100 shot Saturn missiles. I got a 10-4 by Brothers in the background. And I got a People's Pick in the background by Brothers. Let's start off with the miscellaneous things. I got Crazy Aces by Brothers, Roman candles. I got Blackjack Roman candles by Brothers. Got a pack of Screaming Crackler rockets. I got some small whistling bottle rockets. I got a small brick of Black Cat firecrackers. Then I got a full brick of Thunder Bomb and another full brick of Black Cat. Got some magic crystals, canister shells. I got a Excalibur by World Class. I got Brothers Quest shells. And then I also have Echo in the Ear by Wonder. 500 grams. I have Big and Bold by Brothers. I got The Real McCoy by Brothers. I got Fueled by Brothers. Moonshine by Brother. Quake by Brother. I have Gunslinger by Brother. The Star Chamber by Brother. Chasing Booty by World Class. I got Open Fire by Brothers. Loyal to None by World Class. And a Speed Trap by Brothers. I got One Bad Mother by Brothers. By World Class, I'm sorry. I got a Kickstart by Brothers. I got Rocket Science by Brothers. I got Never Surrender by Wenda. And a Saturday Night Special by Brothers. Over here I just got a box of old Excel tubes. And then let me show you guys the price list. You're gonna trip out when you see this. It's ornaments at the place I shop. I'm just gonna go through the price list and I'm gonna let you guys check out the prices. Case price, piece price, packing. This place is really cheap, and it's located in Tennessee, and I stay in Georgia. Even though fireworks are legal here, they're just too expensive. You guys see the X scales? 4 in a case for $136, and single boxes are $34. Not bad. And that is the end of my 2016 fireworks stash. So like, subscribe, and comment. Ask any questions. And I probably end up 9 times out of 10 going to get more. So I will keep you guys updated and post it.